With modern technology, the advantages of using prosthetics have come a long way. A far way, not just in terms of usage, but cost. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell tells us more in this evening's health report.
Health report. For years, prosthetic technology has been limited both in terms of functionality and the materials they are made from. In addition, many artificial limbs are heavy, making them burdensome to use. In the past decade or so, however, prosthetic limbs have evolved substantially. Meet Felix Morris from St. Mary. Mr. Morris lost a limb some years ago, but he's just getting a prosthetic.
I lost my arm in 1994, the 14th of August. I had a dispute with my brother's girlfriend. And after a little argument with me and her, I just see him coming with a machete and just come and start chopping me.
He had to be hospitalized. However, Mr. Morris says not being able to use his right hand posed a major setback for him.
It slowed me up. Slowed up my lifestyle. Can't get to work. Can't move around efficiently like how I would want to move around. Try to help myself. I'm farming. I used to do some security work at one point. When I used to do farming, to be exact. I just at home. I used to do a little selling, but no longer.
Doctors have pushed the boundaries of what was impossible in prosthetics, using a variety of new materials, electronics, and techniques, such as integrating implants directly with muscle fibers.
It just uses a 9-volt battery, one of those little square batteries, and so obviously there's no danger because you could touch those very safely, but it's amazing that a little battery like that can provide full hand function.
And it is not as expensive as it was before, too.
Typical prosthetic arms that would have this kind of function that you would get from normal sources will cost up to $20,000. But for a fraction of that cost, in fact, well under $1,000, and actually once we get it really well done, we can probably for about $250 to $300 create arms just like this.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health.